Hey everyone, welcome back. Crown Geek here. So if you have any need to mirror your Android screen to a bigger screen like PC and laptop, then check this best and the easiest method where you don't have to use any kind of third-party tool or any kind of wire. So right now on my end, you can see I have my PC here, Windows 11 and my Android phone, and I will mirror this Android screen to my Windows PC. So the very first thing that you will have to do, click on your Windows search and type here project. In the suggestion, you will be getting projection settings. Click on it. And here it says add the wireless display option feature to project to this PC. So you will have to click on optional features. Then click on view features. Now here you have to search for wireless display. So type wireless and in the search you will be getting wireless display. Check the box. Click on next. Click on add. And the wireless display will now be adding on your device. Now it may take a while, so you have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, once it will be done, it says added. Now again, you have to go back to the projection setting. So from the left search bar, you have to click on it and type here project. Click projection setting from the suggestion. And here you have to make some changes. So on the very top, you have to click on the drop down, choose available everywhere. Ask to project to this PC will be set to every time a connection is required, and required pin for pairing will be set to never. So these are the basic changes that you have to make. And then finally from the top you have to click here on launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. And it will display a blue screen like this displaying your current computer name, and it says is ready for you to connect wirelessly. So we are done from the computer. Now you have to come to your Android phone and here swipe down your screen. And somewhere you will find the screencast option. Now I'm using the OnePlus phone here. Probably on another manufacturer you may see by different name, but it will be like cast or screencast. So you need to choose this option that you can see on my Android phone. Just tap on it once. It might ask you to enable the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. So give the permission, tap on yes. And very soon it will display the computer name on your device on your Android phone. So right now you can see on my Android phone, it shows me the Crown device here. That is my computer one. So I need to tap on this computer name, Crown, and it will start connecting. And then it will ask me, do you want to share the entire screen or any specific application? So I will share the entire screen and then click on connect and bingo. So now you can see the Android screen has been successfully mirrored to my Windows PC. So whatever I do on my Android phone, everything will be displayed on my PC. Now, one thing keep in mind, we are only mirroring the screen, the Android screen to the Windows PC or laptop. You won't be able to control anything because this is just only the mirror method. Alright, so once it's been connected, let me show you. If I bring up the YouTube, so you can see that everything is being mirrored. And now I can watch the YouTube videos on a bigger screen. Or if I want to play any kind of game on my Android phone, I can watch that on a bigger screen like on my PC or laptop. Alright, now once you are done with screen mirroring, and if you want to end the connection, then from your Android phone only, swipe down your screen and on the top you will find the casting. Just tap on the stop and the casting will be ended. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found this information useful, this method useful to screen mirror your Android phone to your PC or laptop. And if you found this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.